Hey guys! So we just came back from a beautiful family vacation aboard the Disney Treasure. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a full tour of our veranda room on Deck 9. If you're new here and you enjoy travel and nature related content, consider subscribing to our channel. Here's a quick map of the deck plan. Our stateroom was located on Deck 9, forward port side. So front of the ship on the left side. We had stateroom number 9048, and here is a tour of our room. The entrance door is magnetic, so many guests like to put magnets and whiteboards on their door for decoration.
Oh, we have an Encanto painting on the wall. Look how nice.
We have a queen-size bed, a pull-out sofa. We were excited to see that we had a Castaway Club bag waiting for us, as this was our second time sailing with Disney. The drawers in this area include a hair dryer and then a couple empty drawers for your clothes or belongings. This bottom drawer here actually was a refrigerator, which was great for us keeping milk nice and cool for our toddler. You also have a few placards for room service breakfast. If you would like to put those out on your door to have room service breakfast delivered to you. There are a couple little pieces of stationery and postcards. And then there is the pamphlet with emergency contact numbers and emergency information if you need it. There are multiple locations where you can turn on and off lights in the room. There's one under the mirror right there. Alongside the mirror, there is more storage space for your belongings. There is a phone if you need to contact other staterooms or order room service. There also are waste bins and recycling bins. We requested a pack and play be delivered to the room in advance through the Disney Cruise app, so that was there for us when we arrived. There are your standard American outlets on the wall and a USB-C port. There are two separate washrooms. One has the larger sink space with a bit more storage and towels. It also includes a tub shower combo, fully equipped with your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. The second washroom space was for the toilet, and another mirror sink combo for washing your hands. We had a similar type of room when we stayed on the Disney Dream ship, and I feel like the toilet room and the shower space is larger on the Disney Treasure than it was on the Dream for a comparable room. And here's what our balcony looks like. It came with two little chairs and a coffee table. It's a great spot to just sit out and relax. It was also the first place we went whenever we were approaching an island, so we could start to take in some new views of the scenery. here's what the closet space looks like. There are 2 closets. That ladder is for if you have a third guest staying in your room and you need the drop down bed from the ceiling. It turns into a bunk bed, so we did not need that. The second closet has all of the life vests that you will need in case of an emergency, and there are a couple other storage shelves, a safe to keep your personal belongings, and a few more storage shelves at the bottom. There is more storage space under the bed. That's where we kept our checked luggage and any other large bags that we had with us. You also have an extra blanket that's provided to you. That's what the housekeeping staff turns into a fun animal every night. If you plan on participating in the Disney fish hook extender, here's what ours looks like. The width of our fish hook extender is about 14 inches, so it just sticks out over that diagonal a bit. Alright, so that sums up our veranda room tour on the Disney Treasure. If you are currently in the process of booking a cruise on the Disney Treasure, have a wonderful time. I have more videos about the Disney Treasure, including deck plans and a vlog of our own travels, in the description under this video, so check that out if you're interested. Have a wonderful day and happy travels!